Good afternoon, dear students. So, today you will revise chapter number 8 exercises and question answers. Yesterday I have explained you the chapter. So, first one is state true or false. During ancient period, baked bricks were used for construction. Yes, it is true. Ramayana is a non-religious literature. No, it is a religious literature. The Constitution of India recognizes 23 scheduled languages. No. How many? 22. Painter Amrita Shergill belongs to modern period. Yes, it's true. Folk dances usually celebrates happenings in daily life. Yes, it's true. These are the dances which related to their own region, and if any good happening means any good occasion is there, then these dances are done by the pupils. Okay, name them. Classical dance form of Karnataka is Kathakali. Regional form of music of Goa, Mando. Any one famous painter of modern period. Here you can write any famous painter from modern period, that is, and here we have written answer Raja Ravi Verma. You can write the Amrita Shergill, that will also be correct. No problem. Any one natural heritage site in India means that is verified by the UNESCO. That is Kaziranga National Park. Here also you can write any one. Many are given. Any one cultural heritage site in India. That is Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Clear? Now, question answers. Write a short note on architecture in ancient times. In ancient times, what type of architecture was done in buildings? In ancient time, big bricks were used to construct houses. Later, temple architecture introduced fine sculpture, fine sculptures to the buildings. People in ancient times used large rocks, limestone, sandstone, granite, etc. If you will see the buildings of olden times, then you can see that big stones are used to make those buildings. In many different types of material, you will see. What is Natya Shastra? Natya Shastra is the book which consists of laws influencing how to perform classical dance. If anyone is performing classical dance, they have to follow many rules and regulations. According to that only, they are going to perform that particular dance. This book consists of 36 chapters with 6,000 poetic verses. Name some well-known painters of India. Some well-known painters are Amrita Shergill, Raja Ravi Verma, Abindranath Tagore, Nandalal Bose, Syed Haider Raza, etc. They are the famous, well-known painters of modern times. After that, question number 4. Write the importance of UNESCO in the World Heritage Site. The UNESCO seeks to protect and preserve the World Heritage Sites through the Convention Concerning Protection Act of 1972. When this Protection Act came into action, from that time UNESCO seeks to protect all the पूरे वर्ल्ड में वो प्रोटेक्ट सारे जो हेरिटेज साइट्स हैं, यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट्स हैं, उनकी प्रोटेक्शन करती है. क्लियर? Now it is revised. Learn these answers very properly, and if any problem is there, you can ask. Thank you.